So you own or manage a forest, and you'd like to know how many trees are in that forest, as well as their location, size, and species, maybe other indicators too? While you could go out and try to measure all the trees, you'll soon realize it's impossible to measure every single one. Alternatively, you could get a sample of some of the trees and use it to estimate the other trees in your forest, but your estimate wouldn't be very accurate. You could capture photos of your forest from an airplane and get a better estimate of the number of trees and maybe their species, but you wouldn't be able to get a very good estimate of their size. Or you could capture a 3D point cloud representation of individual trees in your forest, which would give you really accurate measurements of size, but capturing every tree is almost impossible and it would be a lot of data to process. However, the availability of AI-based tools now provides us with amazing powers. Much like the AI tools used by your photo storage platform, which trains AI models to identify all the photos of your cat from the thousands of other photos that you have stored. At Tessera, we use machine learning-based AI to combine data that is measured on the ground with various data and imagery that is collected from an airplane or from orbiting satellites. Then, we develop models of tree characteristics such as location, height, diameter, species, and volume, and many other characteristics too. For example, the ground plot data is used to build models of how a 5-meter tall white spruce is represented in 3D space and imagery data. We then use those models to predict the location, species, and size of other trees across your entire forest. We can also provide estimates on the accuracy of those predictions. And since we know that change happens, we can also use machine learning and time-based remotely sensed data to analyze when and where change is occurring in your forest and identify the type of change like harvesting, fire, and infestation. Let's connect. How can we help enable your team, project, or opportunity?